Hey, let me show you how you can use ChatGPT on the Samsung Watch 9. So it is actually quite simple. It is not complicated. I'm going to quickly show you what you have to do, but I'm going to close everything in the background. So first of all, you will have to start by using browser. If you don't have browser, you will have to download browser by using a Google Play Store, and I can highly recommend you to use official Samsung browser. Now you will have to just go for the browser, then go for the search, and simply search for a chat GPT. Just wait for the loading screen. When the chat GPT appears over here, you will have to just open it, wait for the loading screen. And now as you can see, you can just simply start using it. You can just start with the voice typing, but for the first you will have to enable all of those permissions for the microphone, or you can just simply start using the internal voice typing of a Samsung or even use a keyboard. Now if you click here and we'll go for the search, we'll get result, but I already use too much free limits, so I have to actually sign in by using my Google phone and so and so. But as you can see, that's pretty much it. I hope you find that useful.